as you know, I'm going to be out today, but I wanted to leave you instructions in case you forgot what we discussed on Friday. So, today, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be starting by making sure you have completed all of the Illustrator videos. I'm going to go over to those right now. If you look in our training file, there were 3 sets of videos. You had the Adobe Illustrator introductory videos. We did all those together, but if you feel like your Adobe workspace isn't set up correctly, you can go back through there and you can go back and you can look at how to set up your workspace, how to set up your preferences, how to work with your colors, anything like that. Next, you had the videos where you had to make sure you watched all of the videos on how to make basic shapes. Everything from the first 3 shape videos to lines to how to use the pen tool, which is going to be really helpful for this assignment. There's 2 videos on the pen tool, the pencil. Now, you also had to work with the Pathfinder. The typography video was not one you would probably need yet, but the other ones you would. The final set of videos you were supposed to watch weren't these topography videos. Don't worry about those. But it was these transforming shape videos, learning how to make a mask, learning how to use gradients, even learning how to work with transparencies and the mesh tools. Those were all going to be really important for working on your pumpkin assignments. So that puts us on to our second thing that we need to work on today, and that is the jack-o'-lantern project. Okay, so if we go over to our website, you will notice that I have now added in a nice big format here, I have added the jack-o'-lantern assignment. Okay, so if we were to click on this jack-o'-lantern assignment, you will see here the project. Students, you're going to be creating a jack-o'-lantern using Illustrator. Now, the one thing I did notice on here, and by the time you see this, fortunately, I will have this changed. Your jack-o'-lantern is going to be due by Friday, November. Actually, I think let's make the first draft due on October 16th. That's next Wednesday. Please don't forget, you don't really have class this Wednesday. There's only a small amount of time for class due to the PSAT, so you really only have a regular class Monday, Tuesday, and a block class later this week. The directions for the pumpkin assignment are right here. You're going to open the Illustrator board. You're going to download one of the pumpkin JPEGs. I'll show you those in just a moment. Then you're going to put it on the bottom layer. Okay, you're going to want to lighten it so it's semi-transparent so that it's easy enough to draw over. And then I'm going to add to this. Lock this layer. You're going to lock the layer. You're eventually going to delete this layer. Okay, you'll see here when I say semi-transparent in the Illustrator Transforming Shapes, it shows you how to work with transparencies, how to make them lighter. Okay, let's go back. You're going to draw your pumpkin. Once you have your shape, your shape of your pumpkin done, okay? Once you have your shape, then I'm going to write here again, lock this layer. Now you can begin to add color and interest to your pumpkin. There you go. See? Color and interest to your pumpkin. Okay? Once you have your pumpkin drawn, and I think we'll add here, and completed the way you like it, lock your entire pumpkin layer. Okay? Once again, we're going to lock that entire pumpkin layer. Now you can start carving your jack-o'-lantern. Okay? One key here, and I'm going to actually kind of italicize and bold this. Make sure all the illustrations are illustrations you have drawn. Do not place photos from the internet. If you want to trace them, that is okay. But you cannot use somebody else's photos. Okay, and I will write that on there. You can trace images from the web, but they have to be drawn by you for the final project. Okay. Now, the skills you're going to be showing right now, this is what you are going to be showing me, is the skills you've learned here. Okay, and then here's the grading down here. All right, so let's get back to our subplan here. Now, so today you have plenty to do. You're going to make sure you've completed those Illustrator videos, and you can see on there why it's so important that you do that. You have to know the transparencies. You have to be able to draw your pumpkin, and then you're going to begin to work with your jack-o'-lantern project. Now, again, on our website, okay, this is our assignment here, but on our website, this is where you can find, let's see, hang on a minute. Let's refresh the page. There we go. This is where you can find everything. You have a choice of 2 pumpkins. There's one that's kind of more round here. And if we go back, there's another pumpkin here. It's a little more oblong. Okay, you can choose either one of these. If you would like, you can use your Illustrator board in horizontal, or you can use your Illustrator board in more of a vertical form. Okay, if you have any questions, please feel free to send me a text. You guys all have my phone number if you need anything. I hope you have a great day, and I'll be back tomorrow. Bye-bye.